Hi, I'm John Gleason, and this is the UDOT Construction Update. In Lehigh, half of the northbound I-15 split between 2100 North and SR 92 will close each night through September while our crews work on the new Triumph Boulevard Bridge. Drivers will still be able to access SR 92 during these closures, so make sure you stay alert and watch for the signs and detours. In Salt Lake, lanes have been narrowed on I-80 near Redwood Road for bridge maintenance, barrier, and guardrail work. The speed limit is reduced to 55 miles per hour and one lane is closed during the day, so be sure to slow down in this area. This project should be complete in late October. And in Bluffdale, a project is underway to widen the intersection of Porter Rockwell Boulevard and Redwood Road. Northbound Redwood Road is reduced to one lane at Porter Rockwell while crews reconstruct the intersection and extend the boulevard about a quarter of a mile to the east. Expect heavy delays during the commute times, and this work will continue through the fall. Now, remember to always travel wise to avoid construction delays. Just do what makes the most sense for you. Reschedule your trip, work from home, or consider taking a different route. And for more information on these and all other construction projects, please visit our website at udottraffic.utah.gov, or you can download our free UDOT Traffic app.